Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an Hermes bag unboxing. I am very excited to share this with you. I have been continuing my little Hermes journey. We've done a few different Hermes unboxings together this year. This is not a quota bag. This is a non-quota bag. So this was shipped to me at home because, as you know, I have a long distance relationship going on with my sales associate, but this is something that has been on my wish list since last year. So last year, Hermes came out with 3 new colors, and I don't remember the name of the gray one, but it was the Vert Peppermint and the Rose Darling. And this is one of those colors. So I'm sure you know I've been dying for a Rose Darling bag. Do you know what it is based on the size of the box? So I had seen these on Instagram when my fashion advisor texted me that they had one of these and secured for me and permission or approval to ship it to me. Oh my gosh. I was so excited, and it kind of bought it sight unseen. Like, I wasn't like, send him a pic. I was like, send the box. So here she is, all tucked in her little bed. Okay, put this down. And then we're gonna put things in her because that's fun too. So introducing, final guesses, my mini bolide in Rose Darling, and I fear the camera is not doing this justice. This is really soft, pretty petal pink. This is a much, oh, can you see it? Oh, I should have taken it down. Let me grab it. It's a much softer, oh, you can kind of see it. Let me just adjust you up. How are we gonna do this? You know I don't like a cut. There we go. It's a much softer pink than the caviar one. Oh, let me just grab it and take it down, Maddie. Don't be like this. Don't be lazy. Let's do it for real. Okay. Oh, what did I drop? Oh, I dropped the... Here's the compare. You see how the pink caviar, this is like much more pinky cotton candy, and this one's much softer in reality. But on camera, they do look more similar. Yeah, this one's much more like sakura, and then this one's much more like, I don't know, fairy floss. So this is in Chev. I'll read the exact details off the receipt. It is Mysore Goatskin Rose Darling Mini Bolide 1923. And as we see, she has the little leather pull here, a one-sided zipper, 2 little D-rings in silver, 4 feet on the bottom. It is much smaller than an Almond BB, I would say. The inside of this bag is stunning. The inside is Swift, and the way that Swift is taking this Rose Darling color, it is, you know, the inside of the bag kind of matches the Chanel. It's like much pinkier. You see how this is light, and then this is, oh, it's delicious. Okay, she has her one air paper, and then this strap, which actually, so I already had this strap for my Kelly, which is like yellow and mauve pale, but because it's like toile, you kind of can't tell that it's like not something to go with this bag. So this is like a crossbody strap length, maybe like the shortest possible crossbody strap length, and compared to the one that comes with the bolide, it's just a little bit shorter. So it is like an extremely, extremely, extremely high cross. Imagine. Not really. But this one you can use crossbody with the bag. And then this one, it has the tiniest little clasps. So as for what fits, I don't know why online I felt like nobody was showing their phone in this bag, but it absolutely fits a giant phone. So here's my giant phone with my giant case, and fits perfectly. Also, my Calvi with the rose ballerine lining. Let's compare the color actually, because this is also Chev. This one looks a little bit darker though to me. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe it's the same. It's the same fabric, but I love that it's like my little watermelon inside my little bag. Cute. Let's put a lip gloss, pink, of course. Maybe a lipstick. Cute. How are we doing? We're doing good. Maybe a coin purse. Cute. And can we do the hand sanitizer? That requires a little bit more Tetris. The hand sanitizer is a tight squeeze. I just don't want to deform it when I close it. Let's do some more Tetris. Tetris, Tetris. Here we go. So it's all in there, sorry. Coin purse, phone, lipstick, lip gloss, hand sanitizer. Closes perfectly. It actually fits. That's kind of a lot of stuff. That's like the same as a Chanel mini almost. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so precious. We know I didn't need another pink bag, light pink bag of all things, but also kind of yes. I'm very excited for this one. I love just like understated elegance. I love, love, love the color, obviously the color. And I'm just so excited that I was able to grab this little baby. She's so cute. I want Hermes to continue to make more things in this color. Belts, shoes, bags, scarves. She's just so darling. The one thing I will say, so yeah, the strap is mostly just a shoulder strap, at least for me. You would have to be maybe quite more petite to use it as a crossbody. And the little things are so small and the handles are so stiff that it is like a little tricky to get on. I found. Maybe there's like a learning curve. Just like the first time I was doing it, I was like, what is wrong with me? Because that was a little bit easier. So this is how it hangs. So it's like a very cute on the shoulder, like the perfect length on the shoulder. But across, it's a little high, like the handles. Well, you could pull it off. Actually, it's not so high now that I have it on. It's not like touching my boob or anything. It's like more at my rib. Cute, cute. What a thrill. So where are we at? Where are we at with bags? Let me pull out my phone and check my little tracker. So for the record, this is counting as like a for real handbag. This is an SLG. The 25 is a for real handbag. Where's my little handbag tracker? So the count right now, I'm currently at 16 bags. 24 bags if you're counting SLGs as bags, which I'm not. And 24 also if you count in my grandfathered bags, which I'm technically not counting. So I'm saying 5 SLGs, which I'm actually going to be at that limit soon. I'm at 4. I have 3 sentimental grandfathered bags. And then right now I'm at 16 other bags. So that gives me 4 open spots for my 20 bag limit. That is where we are accounted right now. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick, short but sweet Hermes unboxing, and really excited. I'm gonna go be in person at the store later on in June, and so maybe we'll have another bag then. Fingers crossed, who knows? You know, there's like, people say different things about whether buying non-quota bags slows your quota bag delivery. I think such is life. If you're buying non-quota bags that you like, who cares? Like, a bag is a bag is a bag. Like, I understand it's different. I understand it's different. But also, is it that different? No, it's adorable. It's freaking adorable. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And then otherwise, I will see you in my next one. Bye.